I'd like to welcome you all to the Phobia Workshop. My name's Lee, and I actually have a phobia myself. I have a fear of the word which is spelt A-A-G-H exclamation mark. That word. Why don't you tell me a bit about yourselves, starting with you?
Hi everyone, my name's Jim, and I have a fear of apologies.
Sorry?
Ah!
Oh, apologies.
Yeah.
Sorry. Is it any sort of apologies?
Yes.
Right. Well, we'll just try and avoid them, shall we? What's your problem?
My name's Karen, and I have a fear of repetition.
Oh, you have a fear of... I said it then, didn't I? Very, very... Okay. And you are?
My name's Ronnie, and I have a fear of awkward silences.
How long do these silences have to be?
That was borderline, that one.
Right. Let's try and keep the conversation flowing then, shall we?
Hello, I'm Tim. Sorry I'm late.
That's okay. Let me introduce you to everybody. This is Karen. She has a fear of repetition.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
What's the matter with you?
I bark at other people's phobias.
I think I should have just dealt with you on a one-to-one basis. You're here now. My name's Lee. I have a fear of the word which is spelled A-A-G-H exclamation mark, that word. And this is Ronnie. She has a fear of awkward silences.
All right, so we'll try and keep the conversation flowing then, eh?
He said that earlier.
Sorry.
Can we just try and make some progress, please? Right, this is Jim. He has a fear of apologies.
Terribly.
OK, Jim, would you like to tell the group how this problem started?
Yes, well, it all began when I first tried on my grandmother's stockings. Sorry.